Kodak crisis. Are other camera brands at risk of a similar downfall? In the ever-evolving world of photography, a storm is brewing. The industry is grappling with numerous challenges, from the rise of smartphones that have transformed how we capture moments, to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. And even the impact of this alarming situation stems from a staggering $500 million debt that has been accumulating over the past year, leaving the company struggling to navigate its financial challenges. Following this announcement, Kodak's stock price took a hit, and the company has reported a 23% drop in profits since December. Despite these setbacks, Kodak remains optimistic about its recovery. In a statement to The Verge, the company emphasized that a pension reversion plan is vital for its survival. They stated, "To fund the repayment, we plan to draw on the approximately $300 million in cash we expect to receive from the reversion and settlement of our U.S. pension fund, the Kodak Retirement Income Plan, or KRIP, in December." Essentially, this means that Kodak intends to cut pension benefits for its employees, a move that raises ethical concerns. Nevertheless, the company is confident that this strategy will enable it to eliminate its debt by next year. For those unfamiliar with Kodak's history, the company has been a significant player in the photography industry for many years. However, it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in 2012, which forced it to sell off various business units and patents, as well as cease its camera manufacturing operations. One of the key reasons for this decline was Kodak's failure to adapt to the digital photography revolution that gained traction in the early 2000s. Since then, the company has shifted its focus to commercial packaging, printing, and even pharmaceutical manufacturing. Interestingly, Kodak's affordable compact cameras are experiencing a resurgence, suggesting that the company is not entirely ready to abandon the photography market just yet. However, this is a different Kodak than the one that once dominated the industry. Are other brands in jeopardy? Kodak's legacy is undeniably significant, but its inability to adapt to the modern landscape raises questions about the future of other camera brands. Kodak initially gained fame with the introduction of the Brownie cameras and later with iconic films like Kodachrome. At its peak, Kodak was known for its innovative solutions that propelled it to greatness. However, as digital cameras emerged, Kodak seemed to falter, allowing competitors like Canon, Nikon, Sony, Samsung, and Fujifilm to capture the market with their digital offerings. Today, the camera market has contracted, with only a handful of brands leading the charge: Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Fujifilm. These companies have diversified their innovations beyond photography, which has helped them remain relevant. They have also adapted to the challenges posed by the rise of smartphone cameras, which now account for a staggering 90% of camera usage as of 2024. To stay competitive, camera manufacturers have introduced mirrorless cameras, compact models, and medium-format options. They are also exploring ways to reduce production costs by establishing manufacturing facilities in countries like Vietnam and embracing automation. In response to the threat of AI, many brands have joined the Content Authenticity Initiative to ensure the integrity of their products. Notably, Fujifilm is looking to emulate Leica by targeting the luxury market with high-end offerings. Each company has carved out its niche, and Kodak would do well to learn from these strategies to find its own path forward. In summary, today's camera brands are making more informed decisions than ever before. They understand that failure to adapt could lead to obsolescence. A legacy is only valuable if it can be sustained. Otherwise, there are plenty of competitors ready to take your place. What do you think? Is Kodak's situation a warning sign for other camera brands, or do you believe they have learned from the past? Share your thoughts in the comments.